Hey everyone, I'm back again with another card share and a small haul. As you see, here goes the card. I thought it turned out so cute. All right, let me show you some of the things I am creating. I used to create this card with. All right, so here goes the popping by to say hi. That is from Joy's Life Stamps. I believe you might be able to still get these. I used to design for her years ago, maybe like 2010, and I'm thinking that she still might have those in stock. Um, I got this from Whimsy Stamps as well as this. And this was, some years ago too. Um, I think I got this from China. I'm using the reel, both reels there. And then there goes the star of the show. I got this from My Creative Time on her last release. Oh, not the flash sale, but her release. But yes, so I got the small one because I thought that was a perfect size for whatever size card you were going to put it on. And like I said, it's perfect. This is a slimline card. So yes, I'm glad I got that. And I'm also using her her version of slimline card. It's a little short, but I like her style. But anyways, I'm using this um, die there as well as two dies from this set, and I want to say it's like the third one in and the last one there, or it could even be the fourth one in, but I'm not sure. And then I am using this Bella Boulevard paper, and I want to say I'm using that color there. All right, is that everything that I use? I do believe it is. But anyways, I thought it turned out adorable. So what I did was I took these little pieces out of here and used those for dots just on that film strip there. And I did use some oxide inks to ink up my popcorn, and I just snipped a little bit, little parts of that to add more popcorn pieces down there. And yeah, I thought it turned out so cute. I love this die here. Love, love, love it. And there goes the inside of the card. And I thought I would add another popcorn piece and another reel there. But super cute. All right, so that's the card share that I have. Now, let me show you what I found at Hobby Lobby in Michigan. I want to say it was Holland, Michigan. My husband and I have been on vacation, so one of the reasons why I haven't started packing yet. I want to use my vacation as my vacation, but we went up to Holland, Michigan, and I found this stuff. So look at this, $2.74. This is for the acid-free one, $2.74. That was great. But normally I just use regular tape, but acid-free is good. So I got two of those, and then this one, which is the regular tape, is $1.74. However, the lady charged me for $2.74 for all of those, but I didn't make a fuss because I was not going back. And then I picked up these. I thought I would just grab some of them to use. So really, really cute. And then I got that. Look at this ATG gun, $8.74. And I needed another one because my other one didn't want to close all the way anymore. And it got tons of glue on it, of course, but it didn't hardly want to close anymore. So when I seen that for that price versus $34.99, yes. And they had two of them. I almost thought about getting the second one as well because that was such a good deal. But I just picked this one up. But that is all I have for you. Like I said, I may be back with a small haul, maybe something like Thursday or Friday. Yeah, so thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.